Hello, sana rinig pa din ako, but hayaan ko na. First, I got this sando, size small, cause wala lang, I just know na magagamit ko siya for everyday and for going out and for the beach and for everything. So, yeah, that's one. Then my boyfriend got me this top. Yeah, kasi sinukat ko tas nagustuhan niya. So, yeah. Sabi niya siya daw mag-pay. Okay, sure. And next, I have this card kasi meron tayong special someone talaga, like close to my heart, na mag-birthday on December 6th. So, you know what's poppin'. And tsaka ko na ipapakita sa inyo guys kung ano to. But it's just like ganon na greet card, something like that. Then we got two pilot GTEC since magpapasukan na ulit. So, yeah. Perfect siya for everyday. Tapos, lastly, we got this jewelries from H&M din. Ito na yung last. Charmer pa pala. Actually, tinanggal ko na siya sa mga like mga nakasabit-sabit ganyan. Kasi tinry ko sila. So, this is it. I got three pieces. Kasi may promo sila na buy two get one. So, you technically like get the lowest price na pipiliin mo for free. So, it's a great promo, I guess. Na hindi ko na pinalagpas. Cause, right? Okay. So, ito siya guys. First, I got these cute long yan. Yan, I got that. And then I also got a silver whatever this is. So yeah, that's the silver one. And then I got syempre a gold one kasi sayang naman. Talagang naging smart ako sa pagpili. Ayan. Then gold hoops lang. Ay! Oh my gosh. Sorry. Ayan. Basta gold hoops lang ito. Ayan. Goes like that. And it's cute. Nung sure na ako na bibilin ko sila, I like sinukat ko syempre. Para sure. Right?